Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a passive income stream with Wealthfront, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a passive income stream with Wealthfront, start by visiting the Wealthfront website. Look for the button that allows you to sign up for an account. Click on it to begin the registration process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. Once you've completed the sign-up form, review the terms of service and privacy policy. After agreeing to these terms, click the button to create your account. Check your email for a verification message from Wealthfront. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your Wealthfront account using your new credentials. Next, you'll need to set up your investment goals. Click on the Get Started or Set Up Goals button. Wealthfront will ask a series of questions to determine your risk tolerance. Answer honestly to provide a clear picture of your investment preferences. Once you've completed the questionnaire, Wealthfront will recommend an investment portfolio. Review the suggested portfolio and make any adjustments if necessary. When you're satisfied with your portfolio, it's time to fund your account. Navigate to the funding section and choose your funding method. You can link a bank account or transfer funds from another investment account. Enter the amount you wish to invest and confirm the transaction. Wealthfront will begin managing your investments based on your selected goals. As your portfolio grows, Wealthfront utilizes advanced algorithms to optimize your investments. Monitor your account through the Wealthfront dashboard. Look for features that help automate your investment strategy. Take advantage of tax loss harvesting to maximize your passive income. Revisit your goals periodically to ensure they align with your financial situation. Wealthfront allows you to make additional contributions as you see fit. Consider setting up automated contributions to steadily increase your investment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.